This Thai chicken noodle salad is fresh, light and zingy and packed full of great textures and flavours. We've used chicken thighs, but it would work just as well with meaty fish like tuna or salmon or tofu chunks. To start off, trim and blanch 200 grams of fresh green beans for 2 to 3 minutes, then drain and leave to cool. To prepare the veg, peel 2 large carrots into fine ribbons and finely slice 200 grams of radishes and a bunch of spring onions. If you like a little heat, slice a bird's eye chilli and add plenty of chopped fresh coriander. Add the cooled beans and some cooked rice noodles. Next, griddle, or if you prefer grill, the chicken over a high heat for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until cooked through. While that's cooking, mix 2 teaspoons of fish sauce with the juice of half a lime to make a salad dressing. Top the salad with the warm slices of the cooked chicken and drizzle over the dressing.